Hello and welcome to Paradox Planet. In this video, we're going to talk about Simpson's paradox, a fascinating but potentially misleading phenomenon in data analysis. To put it simply, Simpson's paradox occurs when a trend appears in different groups of data, but disappears or reverses when the groups are combined. Let's say, for example, that we have two groups of students, Group A and Group B, and we're looking at their test scores in math and English. Now, when we look at each group separately, we see that Group A has higher scores in both math and English. But when we combine the groups and look at the overall scores, we see that Group B has higher scores. This is Simpson's paradox in action. The trend appears in each group separately, but disappears when we look at the combined data. Simpson's paradox can have serious consequences in real-world scenarios. In the Berkeley gender bias case, for instance, it appeared that men were admitted to the university at a higher rate than women. But when the data was broken down by department, it became clear that women actually had a higher admission rate in each individual department. So how can we avoid falling victim to Simpson's paradox? One strategy is to stratify the data, that is, to break it down into smaller groups to see if the trend holds true at every level. We can also carefully analyze the data to ensure that we're not missing any important factors or confounding variables. And that's Simpson's paradox in a nutshell, a fascinating and potentially misleading phenomenon that reminds us of the importance of careful data analysis. Thank you for joining us on Paradox Planet, and we'll see you in the next video.